So we're down at the DB Daly's Cars and Coffee today.
I should be standing outside here because I'm passing the
And
that's alright, that's fine.
we've a few gentlemen down that came down to our Cars and Coffee at our fuel event. Where did you come from, lads?
Me.
Where do you think? Me, we've Cork, we've a Mayo man here, we've Carlo. So you can see, guys, we're bringing people from all over Ireland to come down to the fuel events to enjoy some of the nicer cars here today.
Yes.
Yeah? Good turnout?
Huge, yeah.
We having a good day?
Yeah.
Yeah? Awesome. Got a little awkward moments now with everyone walking around the show, huh? See you later, guys. So, down here today, we're down
from Ferns.
coming down from Ferns, right? That's not a Ferns accent.
No, we're originally from Bray.
Good, coming down from Bray. He's down here with his stunning ST. Are you having a good day?
Deadly, yeah.
Down, enjoying some coffee?
Ah, yeah.
I'm now enjoying some of the cars that we have today. Hi guys, sitting down, chilling out. Came well prepared today with the seats and all that. Where did you come down from? Down from Newry. What is it, 3 hours?
Yeah, about 3 hours.
About 3 hours. Enjoying the day?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Good old crack, yeah.
Good Spanish car today, isn't it? Yeah? Happy days. Two gentlemen enjoying the day, enjoying the sun, and they brought the camper down and they have the flask of tea with them. So we've got one man here, he's got his Ford Model A, you'll have seen it earlier on in the vlog. And we've got another man here and he's got his beautiful
Nephew, uncle.
a nephew and an uncle, and he's got his beautiful camper van. They're lucky though, they're local men. So, one from Blackwater, one from Gorey. Great to have a show on your doorstep, isn't it? You don't have to drive too far.
A great turnout.
Yeah.
Lovely. Great day.
Having a good day?
Absolutely.
That's it. Lads, thanks very much. So I've got people here again. These are all a lot better prepared than I am, I can tell you. With their sandwiches and their tea. Are you all having a good day, guys?
Yeah, no.
Fantastic. Good mix.
Very enjoyable.
Yeah, kind of chilled out, isn't it? Like, yeah. Lads, thanks very much for coming to the show. Going around for my 30 seconds of awkwardness down at the fuel event here at DB Daly's. But they're nabbing a lot of people. Whenever someone sees me coming, they tend to run away. Ford enthusiasts Ireland are down here behind me. Came down for the day. Having a good day, guys?
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Good mix of everything?
Oh, definitely.
Yeah?
Absolutely.
Would you come to another event?
Oh, of course. God, no.
See, they were all trained to say yes, so they're not allowed to stay here if they said no.
Negative comments will be later.
Yeah. But it is, I'd like to thank the guys from Ford Enthusiast Ireland for coming down to our day today. I like that. We invite everyone to come down and have a good day. And it's a good day for the family as well.
Thumbs up?
Give me a thumbs up.
No, we have sandwiches.
No thumbs up. I wouldn't give a thumbs up if I had sandwiches, so it's cool. Guys, thanks so much for coming down today, alright?
Thank you.
Cheers.
So everyone knows Shamey. You'll see him in our vlog down along the line. We've done a video with the stall and everything you have behind. So he's down here today with Auto Reflect. Having a good day, Shamey?
Great day.
Shamey's one of the privileged people that gets to give out one of the prizes for the day. And he got to go around and pick out his own car, but we can't tell anyone yet. We haven't got to the end of it. But it'll be in the video later on, and he's after sponsoring us a beautiful prize for the day. So anyone looking for your cleaning products, make sure to hit him up, and he's one of our sponsors. So on the dbdailies.com, you'll see him down below with his little write-up about himself and his products, okay? Having a good day, Sammy?
Have a great day, thank you.
You come again?
I will indeed.
Great stuff. See, I have everyone trained to say they'll come again. part of our DB Daily's fuel event here today. It wouldn't be a car show without coffee. I have two very embarrassed girls here behind me that don't want to talk. So we're down here with Saoirse and we're down here with Carla, and they're from the Hot Drop Coffee, and they're using Tom and Alan's Traw Coffee. You having a good day, girls?
Yeah, we are.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Plenty of customers?
Plenty.
And we're lucky that the rain held off today, aren't we?
Yeah, very.
Yeah. So you're going to be at the rest of our events, hopefully?
Of course.
Yeah, of course. Couldn't be there without them, huh? So I'm down here again, bothering more people for more 30-second clips of awkwardness. Everyone having a good day today? Yeah. It's something a bit different, isn't it? Like there's old, new, modified, standard, everything, isn't there? Yeah. So Mark's going to answer. Where are you coming from today, Mark? Down Kilmore. We're going to touch up with Mark later on. He's got some fabulous minis, and he's also got the ST Focus, and then we've got some beautiful Audis and a bit of German here. So, guys, would you recommend it to a friend to come down to the DB show?
Yeah, definitely would.
Well, so thanks very much. Scan hands. Right, so I'm down here with William in our 30 seconds of awkwardness, I suppose, that I've been calling it so far. So William, where have you come from today?
Donegal.
So we'll have it in subtitles there. He came from Donegal. And we'll get Simon to put up a Google Maps. So you're literally like top left hand corner to bottom right hand corner. Drove down this morning to come down to the show today to support the club.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah. How are you finding the day? Good day?
Great day.
Yeah.
The weather holds up. That's all I want. Like.
No rain.
No.
That's a good one, isn't it?
That's the best one.
And we've got to get in a few shots of William's car here, right? Unbelievable condition, right? Even after driving the whole way from Donegal. And hopefully we'll get William down the line and we'll do a solo video on the car as well. Come again, Will?
Fair enough.
Yeah?
Well.
We're down here with Larry Kehoe from Pirate Garage, one of our beautiful sponsors that had the pleasure of coming on board with us, I suppose. So Larry, the same as ours, had the privilege of being able to pick out his favourite car in the show, and he was he was generous enough to sponsor us a prize for the day, but you got to pick the car that I got to go to as well.
That's it.
So are you having a good day, Larry?
Brilliant day now, yeah.
Brilliant day.
Unreal kind of diversity of cars here, so it's brilliant.
Yeah,
now,
it's good. New,
Yeah,
old,
class.
modified, standard, everything,
Yeah,
isn't it?
definitely, yeah, class.
So, for people who haven't met Larry yet, you'll see him in our vlog series down along the line. But he showed up to our fuel event today, so you'll see all of his link to his shop and to his detailed services will be in a vlog down the line.
Thanks very
Come
much.
again, Larry?
Definitely.
Yeah?
Definitely.
100%. Good stuff, Larry. Yeah. So guys, we've got another one of our 30 seconds of awkwardness down at our fuel event here by DB Daily. So we've got Stella, Jack and Adam. So Adam's one of our original, he's the B of the DB, Adam Bates.
Oh yeah.
So the guys came down today, yeah. So Adam, original Wexford person, but where did you come from today, guys? Dublin, Navan, Meath kind of area, yeah. So we see we've got people coming from all over. Are you having a good day?
Yes.
Good turnout of cars?
Yeah.
Sun's out.
Good cars.
It wasn't great this morning, was it? But kind of pulled out. So we got good cars, we got good coffee. Yeah.
Music.
Good music. So we're all having a good day.
Yeah.
You come to another event, have we done another one? Yeah. So DB on the Gee 2022, please God, we'll have one there, yeah. So this is our smaller event, so we'll be down the bigger one and you'll bring more cars. And they're a loose of all 32, isn't it? That's kind of in and out. It's supposed to be on the road at the moment, but didn't. Or 34, didn't make it down at the moment. My apologies, yeah. So guys, we'll be down again, yeah?
Yeah.
Having a great day? Yeah. Lovely.